Mathinik friends. Today, we're going to uncover the secrets behind random sampling. Don't worry, it sounds complicated, but it's actually super simple and fun to learn. By the end of this video, you'll understand what random sampling is, why we use it, and the different types of random sampling you'll often see in statistics. Let's start with the basics. Random sampling is a way of choosing a small group from a larger population so that everyone has an equal chance of being selected. Think of it like this. You have a big jar of candies, all mixed together. If you close your eyes and pick 10 candies at random, that's random sampling. So, why do we use random sampling? Well, it helps us study a small part of a group to learn something about the whole group. It saves time, effort, and money. For example, instead of asking every student in your school about their favorite subject, you can just ask a random group of them and still get accurate results. The key idea in random sampling is fairness. Everyone in the population must have an equal chance to be chosen. If you only pick your friends, that's not random, that's bias. Randomness keeps our data fair and trustworthy. Now, let's look at the four main types of random sampling. Each one works a little differently, but all aim to stay fair and unbiased. First up, simple random sampling. This is the most basic type. Everyone's name goes into one big list or box, and we pick randomly, like drawing names from a hat. Example, picking 5 random students from the entire school to answer a survey. Next is systematic sampling. Here, we pick samples at regular intervals. For example, if your school has 500 students, you might pick every 10th student on the list. It's still random, as long as the first one is chosen randomly. Now, we have stratified sampling. This one is super smart. We divide the population into smaller groups called strata based on shared characteristics, like gender, grade level, or age. Then we randomly pick samples from each group. This way, everyone's represented fairly. Finally, cluster sampling. Here, we divide the population into groups called clusters, then randomly select whole clusters to study. For example, if your school has 10 sections, you might randomly choose 2 sections and survey all the students in those sections. Let's imagine a company testing a new soft drink flavor. They can't ask everyone in the country, so they use random sampling, maybe simple or stratified, to get opinions from a smaller, fair sample. Another example. A company wants to know if people like their new potato fries flavor. They can't ask everyone in the country, so they pick a random sample of 1,000 people. That smaller group helps them predict what most people think. All right, let's see how much you've learned. I'll give you 3 short situations. Try to guess what type of random sampling each one shows. Ready? Let's go. Number 1. A teacher writes all her students' names on slips of paper, puts them in a box, and draws 5 names. What type is this? That's right. Simple random sampling. Number 2. A company surveys every 20th customer who enters the mall. What type is that? You got it! Systematic sampling. Number 3. A researcher divides the population into males and females, then randomly picks samples from both. That's stratified sampling. Great job! You're getting the hang of it. Let's wrap it up. Random sampling means everyone has an equal chance to be picked. It helps make our results fair and accurate. The 4 main types are simple random, systematic, stratified, and cluster sampling. And remember, random sampling is used everywhere, in surveys, research, and even product testing. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more fun math and statistics lessons, and share it with your classmates. See you next time, and keep learning smart.